My name is Miguel with Pristine Paint Protection. I'm here going to show an example of what FlexiShield can do. So the film is 8 mils thick, it's hydrophobic, it's scratch resistant, it's easy to maintain. It actually hides throw marks. It will hide a lot of imperfections that are in the paint. So it has a backing on the back. You want to get your hands wet. So you would just applicate it, and then you just want to squeegee it on. And what it does will protect it from any rock chips, any road debris that happen to come your way. The film comes with a 10-year warranty, and that covers any yellowing, cracking, hazing, anything like that. The main object is to protect the front end of the vehicle. So when you're out on the highway or the road or anything, it will protect it from anything that kicks up, any of the salt. And if you're out in the snowy area up north or back east, it'll protect it from the salt. It's real easy to maintain. You just want to keep it conditioned. You want to wax it. You want to put some kind of ceramic coating on it. Actually, the more you put on it, the better and the longer life you'll get out of it. What separates this film from the other films is the clarity.